In this video, we're going to cover sign up, free exclusive leads, and paid exclusive leads. Simply go to our website, instantroofer.com, and click on the contractor sign up button. Enter your company name, company phone number, your company's physical address, and the email addresses of where you would like your leads to go to. Note, you can have more than one email address. Simply add a comma and additional email addresses. Now enter your name, your email, and your mobile number. Note, the mobile number will be used to log into the dashboard. By default, Instant Roofer will add the zip codes closest to your business address. You can delete zip codes you do not want to service, and you can add zip codes you do. You can add by zip code, city name, or county name. You can also bulk add zip codes by clicking on the bulk add zip codes button. Add as many zip codes as you like, all comma separated. Now that we've gotten our zip code set up, let's add the roofing materials. The roofing materials will be displayed to the customer in your service area. Let's go ahead and set a price for our asphalt shingle, and let's enable metal roofing material and set a price. You can get leads for all of our default roofing materials, including solar roof and solar panels. However, you cannot get leads for custom roofing materials. For that, reference to the calculator embed video. Now that we've completed our sign up, let's go through the dashboard a bit. Let's click on our exclusive leads. Since we just signed up, the exclusive leads list is empty. Let's go to our service areas where we can update the service areas we set up during sign up. At any time, you can add additional service areas or remove service areas. One of the most common questions we get is, how do we get more leads? Simply go to your lead plan and click on paid exclusive leads. Enter your credit card number and you'll see an increase in lead volume. And don't worry, we have one-click, no hassle lead credits. We'll get to that later in the video. Let's go to our company settings. Here you can add your company website URL, which will feature on our website. You can also add your contractor's license number. You can also get leads via SMS. The moment we get them, you'll get an instant notification that a lead is waiting for you. Under the Certifications and Accreditations tab, you can let us know the certifications and accreditations your company has. We'll feature this on our website. Let's go ahead and create a demo lead so you can see what the customers experience and also what you'll experience. Notice how the customer is seeing our materials and our pricing for their roof. This is because the customer address falls within the service area for our demo company. When the customer clicks on Generate Exact Quote, they'll see your company name, your company phone number, and a link to your company website included with their estimate. They'll also receive an email summarizing their estimate. At any time, you can update the roofing materials for leads you want and the pricing shown to the customers. Now that we've created a demo lead, let's go to our exclusive leads list. In this list, you can see the date it was created, the homeowner's name, address, email address, phone number, IP address, estimate amount, size of the roof, and recommended squares. Every lead comes with a unique certificate that shows all of the information regarding the lead. Simply click on certificate and you'll see when they came to the website, time, how long they were on the website, and a video of their interaction. This is perfect for TCPA compliance. At Instant Roofer, we made lead crediting easy. We get it. Sometimes it's a bad lead, no problem. One click and your lead's credited. And that's it. Getting free and paid exclusive leads is easier than ever. Thanks for watching.